Welcome back, hope you're all good. Well, we got a great one for you today. We're gonna stuff some pasta shells, the big conchiglione. We're gonna do it a little bit different to everybody else, but you're gonna love it. It's really easy. Hope you can follow along. Pour yourself a sherbet, switch on some music. Let's have some fun. Oh, already full mine. Salute. Okay, look at these fantastic ingredients we've got here today. Check them out. We've got that good olive oil, we've got an onions, we've got a capsicum, sausage. I've got this sausage from Emma's Deli, my good friends up there, Flavio, Grazia and Alex. We've got some dry white wine, chopped up black olives. We've got some chilli. Make sure you don't put too much in, put whatever you like. We've got the cherry tomatoes, the pomodorini. We've got parmesan cheese and pecorino cheese. And of course the shells, our big conchiglione. Chop up your onion, your capsicum and your chilli. Okay, add the oil to the pan. Follow it up with the diced ingredients and gently fry these around for about 5 minutes. Meantime, take the skins off the sausages and get them into the pan also. Use a wooden spoon you want to break up all these bits of meat and all those small pieces. You want to break it all up into small pieces so it's easier to put in your shells. Pour in a good cup of white wine and then we're going to reduce that down to at least by half. Probably take you around about 5 minutes. Time to drop in the chopped olives. And now the tomatoes. And add a couple of cups of water in too, because it's going to reduce down as you're cooking it. Keep your eye on it. Get your pasta water on and salt it up. You remember, it's got to taste like seawater, so add enough salt. Okay, now it's boiling. We're going to drop in our pasta. Have a look on the pack. Whatever it recommends the cooking time, we're going to just go 1 or 2 minutes short of that. In my case, it said for 14 minutes, so I'm going to give it about 12. When they're done, strain them off into a colander and set them aside for a couple of minutes.
Solo contigo, mi amor. Extraño tus labios y tu mirar. Piel morena hermosa, olor de mar.
Okay, now line the bottom of your casserole dish with some sauce. Spread it out, just a nice layer on the bottom.
Momentos tan ricos para recordar. Es que todo contigo es tan real. Hay cosas que no se pueden contar, que a los suegros no le van a gustar.
Grab yourself a spoon and begin to fill the pasta shells up with that beautiful mixture you've just made.
Los ojos que se me nota lo que siento al verte. Dame la luz pa' que te beses, babe. Que en la cabaña y probamos suerte y te besé. Que las sábanas lo sabían cuando esa boca gritaba Ave María. sabes pa' qué venía. Nadie más, no eres como las demás. No es porque estás aquí, pa' ti sin mentiras. Yo lo sé, mamá, no eres como las demás. No me importa nadie más, solo yo quiero de ti, de ti, de ti.
Once you got it out into the bacon tray, sprinkle generously with that half parmesan, half pecorino mix. Now into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Just keep a check on it, you don't want it to burn.
El amor en ti encontré, tú me pones feliz, eres tremenda mujer, a veces el camino, baby, me imagino, son cosas de...
So this is it. How easy was that? All right, time for a taste test. Mate, you won't believe how good this smells. Oh yeah, baby. Grab myself a fork. Oh, if you could only smell it, it's fantastic. Oh, mate. Yeah, fuck, get the whole thing. Oh, I like that better than too much cheese, man. That is so good. Oh, mate. Oh, so good. Unbelievable, unbelievable. I've done it again. Now, give it a go. It was really easy. I love you all. Salute. I'll catch you on the next one.